Hello again, it's Mike with the Claim Squad Public Adjusters. Wind damage roof claims. This is a hot topic in Florida. The insurance company's on the warpath right now. They're trying to deny all roof claims. They're taking very aggressive steps towards not paying roof claims. They are going and hiring engineers to come take a look at your roof, come up with a bunch of technical jargon that really doesn't make sense or apply. They bring false and inaccurate weather statistics and reports to try and justify the denial of the claim. So if you have an engineer that's coming out on the behalf of the insurance company, let me tell you what's going to happen. 100% your claim will be denied. No questions asked. Get ready for it. Don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. So let me give you a few items on how and why the insurance company will deny your wind damage roof claim. They'll deny it on a few different categories or words, if you will. Number one, they may say your roof is old. Number two, they may say it's wear and tear. Number three, they may say that there's no opening of the roof. All right, so therefore the damage inside is not covered. And number four, they may simply say that there's no damage to the roof tiles themselves, and so therefore there's no coverage. Just be prepared for it. I'm just giving you a heads up now because you will find that when they send their letter. So what can you do? What can you do as a consumer, as a property owner, as somebody who knows that you actually had damage from wind? So normally, I think one of the biggest things I see people do wrong is when they contact the insurance company, sometimes they don't know their roof has been damaged by wind. Now, we could have a tropical storm, we could have a hurricane, and maybe you're not directly in the middle of a hurricane or directly in the middle of a tropical storm. The winds are high, but you don't think that anything has happened to your roof. A couple months go by, there's a couple big rainstorms here in Florida. Next thing you know, you have a roof leak. Uh-oh. You call the insurance company. My roof has been damaged. There's a heavy rainstorm that we had, and now we have leaks. That's an issue. Why is it an issue? Rain is not covered. However, if you can pinpoint that the damage came from a windstorm, and then subsequent rainstorms caused some of these leaks, then you would be covered. But again, we would have to pinpoint it to a specific wind storm. The rain, which comes after, great, fine, we can get that covered. So you really have to go back and find what storm that had a lot of wind, hurricane, tornado, tropical storm, high winds, whatever the case may be. Try to find dates close enough to where you're having this damage that you can kind of pinpoint it or align it as to being the root of your roof problems. So if we can find the root of the problem, then that's going to definitely carry weight in claiming your roof damage claim. So when we do that, we still write our estimates, and we're able to see that some of the tiles have been uplifted. So when you look at a tile, however it's laid, whether it's concrete, shingle, if you find it uplifted like this, so uplifted, that's a sign that there's wind damage. All right. Now, if some of the tiles are cracked, that could be wind damage. If some of the tiles are misplaced, they're moved. If you can lift up a concrete tile and it's no longer glued, so you can literally lift it up, that can be a sign of wind damage. So there's all these different things of wind damage. So when the insurance company hires an engineer and an engineer says there's no wind damage that can be attributable to the roof, excuse me, we can easily pinpoint when we go on the roof and take a look at everything that nope, that's not the case. So when it comes to roof damage claims that have to deal with wind, there's always ways we can get around it. We'll look at local wind reports for a certain time frame prior to you understanding or knowing that you have damage. Now, I don't know about you, maybe your neighbors, maybe your friends, but if we have a bad windstorm, I don't climb on my roof to see if I see tiles that are uplifted or damaged or broke or loose or anything like that. Nobody does. You don't think anything about it. Normally the first time you realize you may have roof damage is when there's a leak somewhere. Then you're like, oh my gosh, I have a roof leak. So the insurance company loves to play games when it comes to roof claims. We don't settle for it. We have ways around this. We have real ways to help people, both residential and commercial buildings, condominiums, townhomes, it doesn't matter, single family homes. Handle roof claims all day, every day, throughout the whole year. And I enjoy roof damage claims because I know at some point we're going to recover money from my client and they're going to be pretty happy. And the insurance company's ploys of either denying a claim or hiring an engineer or simply saying they don't see a roof opening, that doesn't work, and it doesn't work and it wouldn't hold up in a court of law. So we're very successful at recovering monies for our clients that have wind damage roof claims. I can help you also if you have these type of claims. So give me a call if you need to. My name's Mike with the Claim Squad Public Adjusters, 754-252-5438. That's my direct number. Email theclaimsquad@gmail.com. And you can also take a look at the website, www.theclaimsquad.com. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you found it helpful. And if you need anything with regards to your roof damage claim, give me a call. Bye-bye.